In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate some key functions in Asana to manage your tasks more efficiently. Whether you're organizing projects for personal use or managing a team, understanding how to effectively use Asana can make a significant difference in your productivity. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Asana's homepage. Once you're logged in and on the homepage, you'll see a dashboard populated with all your available projects and tasks. This serves as your control center. You can think of it as your digital workspace where all your collaborative and personal tasks are organized. Now, let's say you have a specific item you need to edit. Locate and click on the item you want to focus on. This action will bring up details of the task, revealing all sorts of useful information including due dates, team collaborators, and any pertinent notes. This is where you can make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything is up to date and aligns with your project's goals. Next, right-click on the task to bring up a context menu. This menu offers you a variety of options such as changing the task details, assigning it to someone, or commenting for further discussion. It is always a good practice to know what options are available at your fingertips because using them can help streamline your workflow significantly. Now, if for some reason the task you clicked on is no longer needed, you can proceed by clicking on the Delete Task option from the same menu. A word of caution here, make sure you've double-checked that this task is no longer necessary because deleting is permanent and irreversible through normal means. So it's always best to be certain before deleting any task to avoid any unwanted disruptions later on. However, Asana does provide a lifeline with the undo feature should you realize a mistake right after the deletion. If you accidentally delete a task and need to recover it immediately, simply click on Undo. Keep in mind that this option is time sensitive and needs to be utilized as quickly as possible to restore your task to its previous state. In summary, managing your tasks with ease in Asana comes down to familiarizing yourself with these basic yet essential commands. By efficiently navigating through specific tasks and knowing how to edit or remove them when necessary, you can ensure that your projects remain streamlined and productive. Remember, the key in using tools like Asana effectively is frequent and consistent interaction, which will enable you to utilize its full potential. Thank you for watching and happy task managing.